Hello students, my name is Santosh Singh and I welcome you to my channel Elevate Learning with Santosh Sir. On this channel we will be learning about your topics in mathematics. Today we will be learning about a topic of grade 8 mathematics area, and this is the part 7, the last part of the chapter. If you understand everything and you wish to join my online tutoring sessions, you can fill the form which is given in the description box, or you can contact on the number given over here. Let us start. At the end of this module, you will be able to solve problems based on circumference and area of a circle. Let us begin. So circumference and area of a circle. As you are already aware about the shape circle, it has a center and it has a boundary which is circular. This is called the circumference. This boundary is called the circumference. In a circle, the distance between the center and any point on the circumference is called the radius. And if I have 2 points on the circle in such a way that when we join them, the segment passes through the center, then such segment is called diameter. There is a relation between radius and diameter. We can say that diameter is 2 times the radius, or radius is half of the diameter. Circumference of a circle is given in 2 methods, 2 pi r or pi d. As we know that 2 times r, 2 times radius is nothing but the diameter. So we are just replacing 2r with d. So we can have the circumference as 2 pi r, or we can have it as pi d. Area of a circle is given by pi r square. Now, what is pi? Children, pi is a constant which has 2 values. One of the value is 22 upon 7 and the other value is 3.14. Until and unless it is specified in the question, we cannot take the value of pi as 3.14. We can only take it as 22 upon 7. If the question specifies to use the value of pi as 3.14, only then you will use it, or else you will use 22 upon 7. Let's practice some questions based on these formulae. We are starting with your practice set 15.6. Question number 1, radii of the circles are given below, find their areas. So we have radius of the circle given over here. Radii, children, it is the plural of radius. Radius is singular, radii is plural. In the first question, it is given that the radius is 28 centimeter. We have to find the area of circle. We know that area of circle is given by pi r square. And nothing about pi is mentioned in the question. So we will have to take the value of pi as 22 upon 7. We know that the radius is 28 centimeters. So radius square will be 28 times 28. And pi, it is 22 upon 7. On substituting, we can cancel 7 times 1 and 7 times 4. And then the remaining numbers, that is 22 times 4 times 28, can be multiplied. And we can get the value of area as 2464 centimeter square. Remember, area is always calculated in square units. If the dimensions are given in centimeter, area will be centimeter square. If they are given in meter, area will be meter square, and so on. So the area of given circle is 2464 centimeter square. Let's take up the next question. Here, the value of radius is 10.5 centimeter. It contains a decimal. It is always better to eliminate the decimal and solve the problem. So we know that area of circle is pi r square. So let's substitute the values. 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Now, in order to eliminate this decimal, we can write 10.5 as 105 upon 10. And then we can solve it ahead. So we will substitute that. And now we know that 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 21 is 105. We know that 7 times 1 and 7 times 3. We know that 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 21, we can have 2 ones and 2 into 11. So what are we left with? 11 times 3 times 21 upon 2. When we simplify this ahead, we get it at 693 upon 2, which is nothing but 346.5 centimeter square. So the area of given circle is 346.5 centimeter square. Let us take the next question. Here, radius is given as 17.5, again a decimal number. So we will use the formula for area of circle as pi r square. After substitution, we will first try to eliminate this decimal. So 17.5 can be written as 175 upon 10. Using this, now we will try to simplify. We know that 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 35 is 175. 7 times 1 and 7 times 5. We can also have 5 times 2 and 5 times 35 over here. And we can have 2 ones and 2 into 11. So finally, we can have 11 into 5 into 35 upon 2, which will give us 1925 upon 2, which is finally 962.5 centimeters square. So the area of given circle is 962.5 centimeters square. Let's come to the next main question. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameters. So we have area given this time and we have to find the diameter. So we will start from the first question over here. Area is 176 square centimeter. It can also be written as centimeter square. Now, area of circle is given by pi r square. So we know that area is related to radius of the circle. So with the help of area, we will get the radius, and with the help of radius, we will get the diameter, because we know that diameter is 2 times the radius. Let us do this problem. Area, which is 176, is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. On shifting 7 and 22 on the LHS, 22 times 1 and 22 times 8 is 176. So r square becomes 56. But we need to find r. So what we can do over here, we can take square roots on both the sides. If we take square root on both the sides, on the left hand side we have 56. Square root of 56 will be root 56. On the right side we have r square. Square root of r square will be r. So now we can say that r is nothing but root 56, and diameter, which is 2 times the radius, will be 2 multiplied by root 56 centimeter. So the final answer, diameter of the circle is 2 root 56 centimeter. Let us take the next question. Here the area is 394.24 centimeter square. Area of circle is given by pi r square. We will substitute the value. Now let us shift 7 and 22 on the left hand side. We will get 394.24 multiplied by 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Now, as we have a decimal number over here, we can get rid of this decimal by making 394.24 is equal to 39424 upon 100. Since there are two numbers after decimal point, we will divide it by 100. Okay, so we will get this. Now, on simplifying this, let us try to simplify. Let's go with 2. 2 into 11. 2 ones are 2. 1 carried. We have 19. 2 nines are 18. 1 carried. We have 14. 2 sevens are 14. Then we have 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So we have 19712 multiplied by 7 divided by 11 into 100. Now let us try to divide 19712 by 11. 11 ones are 11. We have remainder 8. We will have 87. 11 into 7 is 77. We will have remainder 10. So we'll get 101. 11 nines are 99. So we'll get a remainder 2, and 11 twos are 22. So we will have 1792 multiplied by 7 upon 100, which can be multiplied, and we can get 12544 upon 100. Now we need the value of r. So for this, we will have to take square root on both the sides. So if we take square root of both the sides, square root of 12544 is nothing but 112, and square root of 100 is nothing but 10. So r is equal to 112 upon 10. Now as the denominator is 10, we can say that radius will be 11.2. And if radius is 11.2, diameter is 2 multiplied by the radius. So diameter will become 22.4 centimeter. Let's take up the last problem over here. The third question, area is given as 12474 square centimeter. We know that area of circle is pi r square. So 12474 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Let us shift 7 and 22 on the LHS, and then let us simplify ahead. We will get 567 multiplied by 7, which is nothing but 3969. And the square root of 3969 is nothing but 63. So r is equal to 63. And diameter, which is 2 times the radius, will be 2 multiplied by 63, which is 126 centimeter. If you find difficulty in finding the square root of 3969, you can go for the prime factorization method. We can go with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Once again, we can go with 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 441. Once again, we can go with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Once again, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Make pairs of identical numbers. Because you are finding square root, make pair of identical numbers and then take one number out. Now multiply these three numbers, you will get the square root. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. I hope you have understood the method of finding square root. Now, diameter is 126 centimeters, so we can write our final answer over here. Let's proceed. Here, the diameter of circular garden is 42 meter. There is a 3.5 meter wide road around the garden. Find the area of the road. Now we are considering this smaller circle to be the garden. Its diameter is given to us as 42 meters. So this complete distance is 42 meters. And half of this distance will be the radius of this garden, which will be 21 meters. We have a 3.5 meter wide road all around the garden. So the width of this road is 3.5 everywhere around the garden. So this makes another circle. And if I ask you what is the radius of the circle outside, or what is the radius of the bigger circle, you can simply add the radius of the inner circle with the width. And this total is nothing but the radius of the bigger circle. In this problem, they are asking us to find the area of the road, means this region. The area of this region can be obtained by subtracting the area of entire outer circle minus the area of inner circle. We have to subtract the area of inner circle from the area of outer circle to get the area of the road. Let us start. Diameter of the garden is 42 meters, so its radius will be 21 meters. Radius of outer circle, we are taking it as capital R, will be the radius of inner circle plus width of the road. That will give us 24.5 meter. Now we have the radius of both the circles, the outer as well as the inner. And the area between the two circles, that is nothing but the area of road, can be given by area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So area of outer circle will be pi capital R square minus area of inner circle is pi small r square. We can take pi common over here. We will get r square minus r square. Now we can substitute the value. Let us find the square of 24.5 by multiplying 24.5 with 24.5. You can multiply and find that value. And 21 square is 441. On subtracting 600.25 and 441, we get 159.25. When we divide it by 7, we get 22.75. So area of road is nothing but 500.50 meters square. And that brings us to the final answer. The area of road is 500.50 meter square. 500.50 meters square. Let's do the last problem of this exercise. Find the area of circle if its circumference is 88 centimeter. Now they have given us the circumference of the circle and they are asking us the area. There is no relation directly between circumference and area. But with the help of circumference, we can get the radius. Because circumference is given by 2 pi r. Let us substitute the value of circumference on the left side. So 88 is equal to 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r that we have to find. On simplifying this part ahead, we get this. On further simplification, 22 into 4 is 88 and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So radius comes up to be 14. We have radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now if radius is 14 centimeter, we can now easily find the area of circle by using pi r square, which is 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So that will give us 616 centimeter square. This brings us to the final answer. Area of given circle is 616 centimeters square. With this, we end up with the exercise or the practice set 15.6. I hope you have understood all the questions in this exercise. And if you have understood the problems, you can like this video. You can share this video with your friends. In future, I will be adding some more videos related to grade 8 in my channel's playlist. For that, you can subscribe to my channel. If you wish to join and learn from me online, you can fill the inquiry form given in the description box, or you can send me a WhatsApp message on this number. Take care. Thank you.